Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce only easy guide. Melt butter in a saucepan, add flour, and whisk to form a paste. Then slowly add warm milk while stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Simmer gently until the sauce coats a spoon, season with salt and pepper, and adjust thickness with more milk if needed for pasta, vegetables, or casseroles. Avoid common mistakes to get a silky white sauce every time. Never pour cold milk quickly into the roux, always warm the milk and add it slowly while whisking. Keep the heat moderate so the flour cooks without burning, and taste for seasoning near the end. If lumps form, strain or blitz briefly. If too thick, stir in small amounts of warm milk until perfect. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it's helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. After cooking creamy sauces that linger, grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh and confident, a funny but useful combo with home cooking. I've linked the air freshener and other deals in the description for easy find. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with simple flavor variations to expand your white sauce uses. Stir grated cheese into the finished sauce for a rich cheese sauce ideal for mac and veggies. For savory depth, add sautéed garlic, fresh herbs, or a teaspoon of mustard while finishing. Replace part of the milk with chicken stock or a splash of white wine for a lighter, more aromatic sauce that pairs well with chicken and fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.